Are you looking for the best robotic pool cleaner? In this video, we will show 5 best robotic pool cleaner. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. Betta SE Solar-Powered Automatic Robotic Pool Surface Skimmer Cleaner with 24/7 continuous cleaning battery power and re-engineered twin salt-chlorine-tolerant motors. Brand: Betta. Model name: Betta-SE. Material: plastic. Color: blue. Operates 100% on solar power, automatically and continuously cleaning the water surface by removing debris such as leaves, dust, pollen, pet hair, and other floating debris. Features a cutting-edge aquadynamics design, providing continuous cleaning for 30 hours or more on a single charge, even in rainy or cloudy conditions. Swift recharge time, only 5 to 6 hours under direct sunlight while cleaning, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Patented twin salt-chlorine-tolerant SCT motors power the propellers directly, making the system reliable, energy-efficient, and effective in both freshwater and saltwater pools. Large fine mesh 200 microns debris basket with a top handle allows for easy cleaning without removing the device from the pool. Simply dock, open the cover, and empty the basket. Betta SE is not suitable for round pools under 14 feet. If circling occurs, simply restart the unit. If the issue persists, please contact Betta customer support for assistance.
Number 4. 2026 new Aiper Experts Duo Scuba V3 and EcoSurfer S2. 360-degree top-to-bottom cleaning, 7-day hands-free care, 10 times faster pool cleaning with AI Patrol, smart parking, and water quality maintenance. Brand: Aiper. Model name: Scuba V3 and EcoSurfer S2. Color: gray. Power source: battery-powered. 7-day hands-free care. The Scuba V3's cognitive AI Navium mode analyzes your pool size, weather, and cleaning history to craft a custom weekly schedule. Paired with the EcoSurfer S2's solar-powered tech, this duo ensures your pool stays clear for 7 days. 10 times faster cleaning. The Scuba V3 and EcoSurfer S2 perform simultaneous cleaning, surface and floor at once. Scuba V3's AI Patrol cleaning identifies debris for targeted pickup, while obstacle avoidance ensures continuous automation. Top-to-bottom 360-degree coverage. The EcoSurfer S2 cleans the water surface with 24/7 operation for max coverage. The Scuba V3 cleans the waterline, walls, and floor using vision-powered path planning. Jet Assist provides stable horizontal waterline scrubbing.
Number 3. Aiper Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Pool vacuum robot with LED indicator, smart self-parking, lasts 90 minutes runtime. Ideal for above-ground flop pool up to 40 feet. Brand: Aiper. Model name: Seagull SE 2025. Material: plastic. Powerful performance. Equipped with powerful dual-drive motors, the Seagull SE tracks down and collects the most types of dirt and debris with ease. This cleaner features 2 independent brushes to give your pool a deep clean. Cordless and easy to use. No more messy hoses and no more tangled cords. The Seagull SE is completely cordless and hassle-free. Simply power your cleaner on and submerge it in your pool, and the cleaning process automatically begins. Increased battery life. The newly designed battery only takes 2.5 hours to fully charge and provides over 90 minutes of cleaning capabilities. Ideal for round above-ground pools up to 33 diameter.
Number 2. Aiper Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Wall and waterline cleaning. Cordless pool robot with 4 modes. Smarter navigation with high-precision sensors for all in-ground and above-ground pools. Brand: Aiper. Model name: Scuba S1 2024. Color: obsidian. Power source: battery-powered. Comprehensive 4-zone pool cleaning. Engineered to clean the pool floor, walls, waterline, and shallow areas above 12 inches. The Caterpillar tread system enhances mobility and climbing ability, ensuring thorough coverage across all pool zones. Smart Wave Path Navigation 2.0. Powered by 11 high-precision sensors and enhanced Smart Wave Path Navigation 2.0, this robotic pool cleaner dynamically reduces overlap and maximizes movement efficiency for faster full pool coverage. rugged obstacle handling. Built with durable tank-style tracks, it easily navigates uneven surfaces, slopes, steps, and drains while maintaining strong traction and consistent suction. The result is uninterrupted, continuous cleaning for truly carefree pool maintenance. Versatile 4-mode cleaning. Choose from auto, wall, waterline, or eco mode to match your specific cleaning needs, from whole pool deep scrubbing to quick daily maintenance. The cleaner instantly adapts to deliver the right clean at the right time.
Number 1. Aiper Eosurfer S2 Solar-Powered Pool Surface Skimmer Robot with app support, 24/7 continuous cleaning, dual charging modes, smart obstacle avoidance, 150 micron filtration, OTA upgrade. Brand, Aiper. Model name, Surfer S2. Material, PC plus ASA. 24/7 performance. With sufficient sunlight, the Aiper Eosurfer S2 robotic solar pool skimmer's solar charging ensures 24/7 cleaning. On cloudy days, a single charge via the DC adapter can keep your skimmer running for up to 35 hours. Efficient cleaning with adjustable chlorine dispenser. Aiper EcoSurfer S2's industry-leading 150 micron filtration and debris guard anti-leak design effectively capture all kinds of debris. It holds 3-inch chlorine tablets for consistently cleaner water. The app just got smarter. Now you can start or stop your device, set custom cleaning schedules, steer remotely, track progress, view history, and get instant blocking alerts. Obstacle avoidance and edge cleaning. Dual sensors and Aiper's smart algorithms enable effective obstacle avoidance and precise cleaning. Its unique edge and corner cleaning mode improves coverage by 5% and enhances cleaning efficiency by 15%.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.